Today we're in England and we're going to tour the Harry Potter studio. You can see it right behind me. So come along and join us and we'll show you the highlights. Thanks everyone. All right, so this is the entrance, and this is where you come right after you clear security. If you brought a bag with you, they're going to make you check it. You can see they have a big advertisement for their Tri-Wizard tournament up on the wall there. So we'll move along with the tour. All right, I got to say, that is pretty cool. That is like a freaking dragon. It must have been from the movie or something, but that's pretty amazing. Just hanging over the waiting area here for the tour entrance. That is pretty cool. I mean, I don't consider myself a Harry Potter geek, but that is really cool. All right, so let's go in the Harry Potter gift shop. Check it out. I personally don't see myself wearing any of this stuff, but I'm sure there's people spending lots and lots of money. It's like some canvas bags and totes. But little kids' clothes. Over here, sorting hats. We're in the Honeydew Sweet Shop part of the store. Looks like some exploding bonbons. Must be the Weasley twins. Chocolate frogs, Harry Potter watch, chocolate frog replicas. Bertie Bott's every flavored beans. Looks like you've got your butter beer here, or biscuits, then actual butter beer if you want to try that. Looks like they got some jewelry, some Christmas ornaments. A model of the Hogwarts Express. Hogwarts Express bookends for £100. Nimbus 2000 broom mock-ups. 45 pounds. The chess set that was used in the movie. Well, a mock-up of the chess set. Looks like you can get your house ties. I know those are lanyards. Oh, okay. Trunk bundles, little trunks. It's got the scarves from each of the houses and the sweaters. Too bad I can never, ever, ever wear a sweater in Thailand. More sweaters. Oh, here's all the team gear for Quidditch. You got Gryffindor over here, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Slytherin. Got some snakes, coffee mugs, Monopoly set. Let's see what we got in this room. Here's all your books, pillows, wizard chess set, more little kids' clothes over there. and then here's the wand shop. So I can get all kinds of wands. I'm sure those are not cheap. We'll have to go in there and see how much they are. Walk.
Mira.
TV squishy plushie. Wand engraving. £5. This looks like straight Hogwarts merchandise, not like specific to a house. So it looks like Tory wands, £20. Really not that big, not that bad a deal. Big scheme of things. All right, you got sweaters like the one that was knitted for Harry and Ron, first movie, and given as a Christmas gift to the boys. Marauders map. Oh look, you can actually buy the Marauders map fold out. Things like that. I don't see a price on it though. Some drinking cups. Hogwarts alumni, you definitely won't see me wearing that.
But we already have one.
Here's some stuffed Hedwig the Owls. Oh, and here's all the stuffed animals. And then you have the Lego sets. So yeah, all in all, I mean, if you're a big fan and you want to spend your money on this stuff, it's a good place to come. It's got pretty extensive selection. So they've herded us into this room to start the tour, I believe. So a large room that's got monitors all around. I'm assuming they're going to start playing something soon.
Lovely, please come to the front. Lovely, do you want to come to the front? Lovely, fantastic. Yeah, you can come as well, that's all right. We tried using real candles with a fuel reservoir and wick, strung them all with fine tungsten wire, attached them to these motorized rigs, and then lit all 400 of them live on set. Looked fantastic, but the problem was, due to the lack of ceiling, we would have breezes that would come on through, flick the candle, and then it started to catch onto those wires, and the candles would then, alas, fall down. Not very safe, so the production team thought it would be a lot safer to move forward with CGI candles along the stars, clouds, and thunderstorms that you see in the Harry Potter films. Now, right in front of me, if you come on down, you'll be able to see our chocolate feast. Glorious, delicious. So if you're anything like Ron Weasley, this is making your mouth water. But I hope not too much, because none of this is actually real, as real chocolate and ice cream would have melted under hot studio lighting. So the prop making team had to get very creative and instead used, speaking of that, I'm going to show you that effect and remind you of it in the Goblet of Fire. But with this, it does include flashing and strobe lights, water-based smoke effects.
This is the costuming and the ice sculpture that was in the Tri-Wizard Tournament movie. Here's the actual costumes. Hopefully there's enough light. This purple dress right here was the one that Hermione wore. So yeah, pretty cool. And this looks like a design of the top of the Great Hall that they filmed in the movie. So the room we were just in was the Great Hall, but every time you looked up, you saw this instead of the overhead supporting everything. So you can see, if I was to zoom in to where you can't see anything else, it looks pretty good. one of the marble staircases that actually would move, and the oil paintings also used in CGI during the movie would move and talk during the movie scene. All right, this is the Gryffindor's boy dormitory. So this is where Harry and Ron lived, along with Dean Thomas. So this is the set. Here's the set of the Gryffindor common room. Very, very cool. This is the scene where Harry discovers the golden egg from the Triwizard Tournament. And this is Professor Dumbledore's office. You can see Dumbledore.
Attention, please. I'd like to say
Fox the Phoenix.
eternal glory.
Here's the potions classroom. Professor Snape's outfit, costume. Notice the little house elf in armor next to him. This is a scene from the Monster Book of Monsters. There's the monster under the bed.
At this moment, the train wasn't torn.
Here's the night bus, complete with the beds that crush together. Chamber of Secrets door. And this is the Weasley house. And they have all these interactive buttons so you can make it do chopping of the vegetables and ironing, and very cool with all the costuming. We're entering the haunted forest. Got the Gryffindor Buckbeak.
No. Is this supposed to be here?
Where? Yeah, Buckbeak. Yeah. You got all the spiders up here. Look. All right, here's the model that they used for the Weasley house. And here's the actual night bus. Harry's house on Privet Drive. This is the Hogwarts Bridge that was shown in a lot of scenes in the movie. These are all makeup and effects room. We're in the creature shop right now. Here's the giant. One of the dragon heads. This is the inside of the Gringotts Bank set. It is pretty amazing. More of the tellers. Here's some of the elves acting as tellers. So here's the vault cart that they use to go down into Gringotts. I believe this is Harry's vault, the inside of it.
The shelving inside had that very fine tile effect on it, which was some of the students quite keen.
So I think there's a dragon that's going to come out of here. This is like during the final battles of Hogwarts. We'll see what happens. I may have to shorten this edit a little bit. Little shot of Diagon Alley. Very cool. Right down to the cobblestone streets. Got Flourish and Blotts, Ollivander's Wand Shop. You got Weasley's Wizard Emporium, I think. Or Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. A Quidditch store? What? Oh yeah. Takes the hat off his head. Some owls for sale. This is pretty cool. This is like a scale mock-up of the entire Hogwarts Castle they used for a lot of the filming. Those exterior shots that they needed. You can see by the height of the people what perspective is. I'd say the tallest tower is probably about 30 or 40 feet tall. Wow.